Hello mga kabarako, kalaki. Ito na naman tayo sa shop natin, sa body shop Latero ng Canada. Reporting po. Ito guys, meron tayong bago dito na bago dating sasakyan. Bagong bago, 2021, brand new GMC Sierra Elevation. So ito yung damage niya. Di-reheat siya mga kabarako, kalaki. So kailangan natin palagyan yung frame, radiator bracket, and we'll check if the frame is damaged or not. Replace the fender, radiator, AC cooler, and the turbocharge. Lahat papalitan yan, pati itong fender. Ano yan? Bumpy, we call it the bumpy heat na makabangga siya ng deer. Yan. Ito may kink right here, dent here. I'm sure it's gonna be repaired. Here you go. Good luck sa atin. Good luck. Kaya natin magawa yan. Let's take it apart, everything, and do a repair on this side, and then we're going to remove the bracket, radiator bracket, the frame bracket. It's all coming. It's time to remove the AC, turbo cooler, and radiator. Holy! And then we're going to remove this whole bracket, and then this cover thing. The parts are there. I hate when the engineer fucks up and you don't have a fucking access here to remove your AC condenser 13 mil volt, and you have to do it manually. That sucks. So we managed to remove our AC condenser, radiator, and a turbo cooler. Now we have to remove this necessary parts, battery and the fuse box, so we're gonna have an access at the back. Go. Since we don't have the proper tools for 3D measuring system, we're doing it manually. Pulling this frame rail back on this side. Oh my god, this is gonna be fun. There you go. Take this off here, and then now I have to remove this outer rail, and then we're going to replace it with the new radiator frame. There you go. I managed to remove the right rail, upper rail, and then the radiator support. Took it off, then tried to push that in because it's kind of little bit push in. Remove the left fender, and then we'll have to remove this in order to insert the new radiator support. Whew. There you go. I already attached the frame rail and the rod support and ready for welds. Use precision weld and plug welds. Plug welds we're gonna use on this. There you go, guys. Managed to weld this, and it's on the new procedure, riveted. Ito na siya, guys. Napalitan ko na yung radiator bracket. Then yung upper rail niya, this one, and this bracket too, and this. So tomorrow kailangan na lang natin assemble yung radiator, AC condenser, turbo cooler, and then balik natin yung fender magkabila para mapinturahan na nila this side, because I know they're gonna blend it because it's a brand new fender, and then it's good to go, right? And then ito pa, trabaho din natin to, pero napinturahan na nila, nasa loob na. So fender and door, ay siya, madali na lang yan, diba? Dahil trabaho, pag winter maraming aksidente, maraming nababangga. So ito pa isa natin trabaho. Pero madali lang yun. Hindi pala madali, mahirap siya. Pero na-pull out ko na, na-pull ko na yung metal. So, bando na lang. And then it's good to go. Diba? Good to go. Yan, neto na siya guys. Tapos na siya. Na-primer na natin. Na-repair na natin tong fender. Nabalik na natin yung shutter, AC condenser, radiator bracket, A-pillar. Oh, not A-pillar. Upper rail pillar. New fender. And then, remove na natin. Install yung parts ng passenger door. There you go. Then, pinturahan na lang siya Monday. Monday, pinturahan na siya and ready to go. And then, bumper assembly na lang. There you go, guys. Woo! Grabe to. Ano siya. Kabit na natin yung radiator bar bracket. AC condenser, new radiator, new turbo cooler. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. It's painted already. So what I have to do is put it back together. Voila. There you go. Everything is coming. All the parts here. Wheel, bumper. Guys, we're on the finish line. We managed to put it back together. This 2020 GMC elevation. Good to go. All the gaps are good. Gaps. So, I think you'll be a happy customer. Thanks guys. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please follow and subscribe. Like if you have any comment or suggestion. Don't hesitate to do it or leave any comment or message. Thanks guys. Thanks for following Bart Lucky channel. Bye.